In every company, approvals happen everywhere. HR requests, financial budgets, project changes, but too often they're buried in emails, spreadsheets, and manual sign-offs. OmniApproval changes that. One platform, every approval. All approvals in one transparent and auditable workspace, fully integrated into Viindoo. Launch an approval right from the source record. No copy-paste, no retyping. Every model in Viindoo can be approval-enabled. Fields are dynamic. Only relevant data appears, driven by each approval type. OmniApproval safely maps data from the source, including nested and relational fields. Every approval captures a snapshot. When data changes later, OmniApproval detects and posts the diffs automatically. Need custom logic? Add inline Python hooks, pre or post any action, with pre-flight safety checks. Extend deeper into business workflows with specialized adapters for purchase, sales, projects, accounting, and more. OmniApproval helps enterprises streamline every approval process. 80% faster turnaround, 100% traceable changes, zero coding for most workflows. Govern smarter, approve faster. Try it now at viindoo.com.